Here's an example of what your final project should look like. So remember, the first thing is the title page. So we have the title, of course, the name, and some other stuff will go here too. And then all those little pieces, remember, are headers. So introduction and background. Remember, a fake name, the student is Steven, 12 years old, in 7th grade. And remember, this is a little bit different because traditionally, this project was done after observing a student in school for 10 plus hours. We have the method section, so it talks about where the student goes and the science or the classes that they took and all that good stuff. Okay, next section was the learner development. And again, I want you to notice this particular student cited where they got some of this information. So that's important too, is be sure to include where you get some of this information. So when you talk about cognitive development and physical development and all that good stuff, remember to cite the textbook where you got that. So again, cognitive development, we got that from Santrop. Also, it's important, the one thing that this person did not include, be sure to include the page number as well. Scroll down, learning differences. This Steve, the student, took a learning differences survey, 40% visual, 40% kinesthetic, 20% auditory. Talked about that. Content knowledge, this particular UND student was going to teach science, so they talked about science in this section. Assessment, so the other assessment besides the learning differences assessment, this UND student did the 16 personality quiz and kind of talked about that. Again, here's a different source that this student used, so they included it there. And then planning for instruction, so giving the teacher advice on how the student would learn best. This is the conclusion, kind of wrapping everything up. The references that were used. And then down here, the appendices. Remember, this is so that she included the 16 personalities test. This student also included the learning styles inventory down here. And then another inventory down here. Learning styles results. And then that's what they turned in. Okay? So again, if you just stick by section and kind of go that way, I think that after meeting with the student, getting with the student, and gathering all this information, putting it together, if you stick with the headings, is going to be pretty easy. So here is just an example. All right, take care. Bye.